Congratulations on your new HERO5 Black camera. This series of videos will show you how to get started. In this first video, we'll give you an overview of the camera. HERO5 Black comes with these items: a rechargeable battery, the frame for HERO5 Black, a mounting buckle attached to the frame, curved and flat adhesive mounts, and a USB-C charging cable. You'll also need a micro SD card, which is sold separately. For a list of recommended cards, visit gopro.com/workswithgopro. Are you wondering where the housing is? HERO5 Black is waterproof to 33 feet right out of the box. No housing is needed. And no housing means less stuff for you to carry. Let's check out the camera. HERO5 Black has two buttons that you use to operate the camera: the shutter button and the mode button. To help you see if you're recording, there are three status lights on the camera. There's one on the front, one on the back, and another on the bottom, so you can see at least one of them from any angle. On the back, you'll see the large touch display, where you can preview your shots, easily change modes and settings, and immediately play back your videos and photos. Navigating is easy, just tap and swipe. To learn more about using the touch display, be sure to take the camera tour the first time you power on the camera. On the side of the camera that's closest to the lens, there's a side door. Hold down the latch release button and slide the door open. You'll see a USB-C port for charging and an HDMI port in case you want to connect your camera to an HD TV and watch your content on a big screen. To use the HDMI port, you'll need a micro HDMI cable, which is sold separately. On the bottom of the camera, you'll see another door. Open it the same way you open the side door. Press the button while sliding the door open. Insert the battery. Then push an SD card into the slot. Close the door, then slide it until it clicks into place. Be sure it's securely closed. If either door is not closed all the way, your camera is not waterproof. Your HERO5 Black comes with a partially charged battery, but it's a good idea to fully charge it to get the most out of your first use. Open the side door by pressing down on the button while sliding the door downward. Use the included USB-C cable to connect your camera to a computer or other USB power adapter. The camera status light on the bottom of the camera turns on during charging and turns off when charging is complete. To ensure that you always have the latest features and settings at your fingertips, be sure your HERO5 Black is running the most current software. Luckily, you don't have to do anything special to find out about software updates. When you connect to the Capture app for mobile or the Quick app for desktop, you'll automatically be notified if an update is available. When using your HERO5 Black camera, keep these tips in mind. Keep the lens clean and watch out for fingerprints, especially when you're moving the camera in and out of the frame. And if you're using your camera around water, be sure to wipe off the lens so your shots aren't affected by water drops. If the touch display gets wet, just brush off the water with your hand, then use it like you normally would. Before opening either door, be sure the camera is clean and dry. Close the doors completely, especially if you'll be using the camera around water. Last, whenever you use the camera in sand, dirt, or salt water, always rinse it with fresh water afterward.